Hello everyone, today is day 2 of Hawaii, and where are we going today?
Oh wait, I'm getting a phone call.
Oh no.
Hello?
Hey, this is Harsh.
Yes, this is Harsh.
Hey, Harsh, just meet your driver for the day.
Hi.
Hi, good morning. Yeah, I'm just letting you know.
Anyways, good morning, bird that likes to sit on our balcony. But here are the views today. There is a little drizzle this morning, but it is clearing up now, and it is gorgeous, and I am obsessed.
Driver, he was confirming the pickup time.
Oh, so where are we going today?
We're doing a North Shore excursion where we see North Shore and the Dole Plantation and Kailua Ranch and Diamond Head and just the vibes, you know?
The
Like,
vibes.
these vibes.
It's not even focusing. It's so... Oh, wow. There we go.
And I ate my malasada on the balcony today.
Ooh, those are some good Hawaii vibes.
See, she's exercising up there.
Oh, you should do that too. But we are all set to go. I'm wearing my brand new super cute cover up today. It's like a little tie crop top with a matching skirt. And I'm wearing this new pink Target bikini top, and Harsh and I are coordinating again with our colors. But here's the full outfit. So here's like the little tie situation with the skirt, and I'll be wearing my sandals. But yeah, we just packed the backpack. So we have in here a towel, we have this phone case, phone protector, I have my water bottle. This big bag has all of our sun stuff, so sunscreen, sunscreen for our scalp and our face, and aftercare lotion too, because it's going to be a long day. And then in this zipper we have wallet and my GoPro camera, and then I also bought a old school waterproof camera. So here's the backpack. But yeah, we're about to head down, and we're gonna go get our coffee from the hotel that we can go to, and then we're gonna hang out and enjoy the Waikiki goodness before we head on our tour and go on our tour bus. So yeah, that is the vibe of today's day 2. So we got our coffee. Another friend. Hey, back up, back up, back up. We got our coffee from Tucker and Bevy. And we got some Spam Musubi from the ABC store, our favorite store. Yum. Thank you.
Of Waikiki. Now in Hawaiian, to grow potatoes, sweet potatoes, rice paddies, and the famous poi we call kalo, which a lot of people do not eat at luau's. The giant finally slayed the little relays today. But as the giant man walked away from his victory, the venom started to set place into him. So as he walked and he walked, he weakened and he finally fell to his knees. Today you can find that giant of a man on the island of Kauai. In the town that we call Lehue, there is a mountain that silhouettes a man. Him and his friends seen all the bamboo poles. So in his era, they're the one that named it Bamboo Ridge. And we still call it Bamboo Ridge today. But if everyone wants to learn how geologists can claim the ages of the Hawaiian Islands, follow me.
Wow. We are at our first location. We are at this, what is it called? Some kind of, a blowhole. And it looks so pretty out here. Where did Harsh go? Oh. Hey! We're a bike. These are the views.
Down there.
Yeah, I don't know how they got down there.
There's probably a trail to walk down.
Ah, steep.
Or if they went down from that side, they could walk through the mountain.
The smaller island is called Kalapawai, Black Island.
Oh, there's a beach here.
Both of these islands are both
that's a
bird
nice beach.
sanctuaries.
Oh,
The beach below us to the right is called Makapu'u. It's more for advanced and
Thank you.
smells delicious.
We're now on stop number 2, getting some macadamia coffee samples, and we're in a little store. So fun. Macadamia nut. Okay, we're eating some honey roasted macadamia nuts from the nut farm. Yummy. Hey, we're on stop number 3. This is the Jurassic mountain where the dinosaurs once roamed. We could head over to the hatch. We're heading to Chinaman Hatch, which is another landmark. And it looks like it has okay. If you want it like a good hat. It's too far. I don't want it on us. Yeah. Okay guys, we are at stop number 4 for lunch. And we are getting shrimp. Harsh got a spicy garlic shrimp plate and I got a butter garlic shrimp plate. So we're about to eat lunch and I'm starving. Are you starving? Yes.
8 and a guava juice. I used to drink guava juice also.
What does the guava juice taste like?
Thank you.
sweet.
Like kind of like orange juice?
They have a special flavor. I want you to have the experience there.
I need to hold that. It said past by the trees.
Sit across from me or? My left.
I can sit across from you. Actually, I'll sit next to you.
Sure?
Mm-hmm.
Sunspot here.
Actually, I'll sit here. Mm-hmm.
Hey, are you going too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see it. Oh, baby.
Ooh, yummy. Let's see. Ooh. Yum. We got some ice cream because our bus broke. I think so. So we're waiting for our bus to save us. All right, we're at stop number 5. Admissions for the Waimea Valley Waterfall. Wow, that's nice.
Yeah, baby. Did you see the chickens over there? At the Pandora Avatar, right? Yeah, let's swim to the water.
Hey!
Let's see how close I can. I'm gonna touch the water.
Oh wait, I keep doing a video.
Okay guys, we just finished swimming in the waterfall. So now we're headed back to the bus and going to the next stop. This would have been a good picture. Yeah. Okay guys, since
We're on
I
a plantation.
last checked in, we went,
Look, they have the world's largest maze.
that's cool. But we've gone stand-up paddleboarding in the ocean.
They have a train here that goes around the plantation.
Oh my god. And now there's a chicken.
His name is Henry.
And his name is Hey Hey.
Hey, hey. Hey, hey.
And now we're at the Dole Plantation, standing in line to get some pineapple things.
There you go.
Oh.
Telling us it's almost time to close.
Whoa. These are so cute. Okay. They have pineapple everything. That's adorable. They have pineapple little teddy bears.
Gummy bears.
Oh, this is cool. And they have honey.
Gusto ko yung ganyan.
In the plantation. Good tip.
Yeah. Best line.
Oh, there's all the... Should we go to the bus?
Everyone's still in line.
Here, can you hold this? I have to go peck.
Oh, I was gonna vlog you.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, butter pineapple.
Is it better than the shrimp place?
It is better. It tastes more creamy, which means they've churned it longer.
Hi guys, so we are back from our tour from a fun-filled day. We just took a shower and changed, and we're gonna go get dinner now. I'm very hungry. So we are gonna go get food from Rainbow Drive-In, which is a very popular place that is very close to our hotel, so we're gonna be walking there and getting some good food. So we are gonna go get dinner now, and yeah, it's 6:44 now, so the sun will be setting soon, and yeah, wrapping up the day. Hey. We got some chili tater tots. Got our food from Rainbow Drive-In. Yum. Oh, loco moco.
Dun dun dun. Oh.
Ooh, yum. Hi guys, so we just walked back from Rainbow Drive-In and we are back in the hotel now, so we are gonna go to sleep. It has been a very long day, so I hope you guys liked today's Hawaii vlog. It was so much fun doing the tour and all of the fun activities. So tomorrow we are doing some more fun things, like doing an ATV tour and going to the beach and other fun things. So if you guys like this vlog, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, leave some comments down below for me, and leave some comments down below for me. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram. And yeah, we will see ya in the next vlog. Bye.